Hello everyone. Welcome to Resume Studio, a modern open source resume builder that lets you create professional CV in minutes. I have built this project in React 19 with TypeScript, and I have put all the information regarding this project in README file. You can read, and also we can go through the README file. So here you can see the features, multiple beautiful templates. So I have added 11 unique designs right now in this project. I will show you in the UI as well. So here are some templates: name, professional timeline, modern header, decorative pattern, centered classic. So these are template names, and also I have added some template regarding template description. Or then we have a template gallery and full editing capabilities we have in this export functions and authentication and data science. We have a Google sign in email password authentication, modern UI UX and technologies I have used in this project. And also you can clone this repo and how you can use this one. So I have added the file base setup in this project. You just need to add these keys and your data which CV you will create. So your data will be stored in the file base and you will not lose. And your CV, you can go to the dashboard and edit your CV anytime. Also, there is a usage, browsing templates, create your first resume, exporting. This is the project structure, SRC components, common dashboard layout templates. So this is the project structure, environment variables, how you can set up the environment variable setup. So how you can do this right now, I have deployed a demo on the Netlify, and you can configure these things. You can deploy this one on Vercel, Netlify, or any other AWS where you want to deploy this project. So post deployment checklist we have, and contributing, how you can contribute in this repo. So if you like this project, you can just give a star. And now let's go to the UI. So I have deployed this demo right now on the Netlify. You can go through this demo, and this is the home page. And you can change anything if you want. And this is an open source project right now if you want to use these templates. So here is the 11 templates right now, which I have just added. And you can see here, you can scroll. Okay, and then we can go on the templates. So you can see all the templates list here. So bookmark, ribbon, light contact, full header, sidebar labels, and decorative pattern. And you can select any template and you can create your resume. If you click on this template, okay, so it will create you. You need to add the information. Okay, so it will create your resume. Let's add the information here. I can select Ahmad Faraz. This is the email address, number. I can add any, linkedin.com, city, Bawalpur. Okay, this thing, Pakistan, and then I can go to the next step. This is the default data which I have added. Next step, okay. Bachelor of Fine Arts, Arts of Design. Next step, so there are some default suits, okay. Skills, we just selected. Let's go to the next step and review and continue. So I have put it some default informations there. Okay, continue to template selection, review and continue. So this is the template which I have selected, and here you can see all the information. You can edit your information here. Okay, and let's say we have all the information here, skills we have, and education, experience one. You can add the experience here. You can edit your information here as well. Okay, and then you can export the PDF, this template. Right now, if you click on the export PDF, it will take you on sign in option. Your resume draft has been saved. After signing in, your resume will be automatically saved into your account, and you can continue editing on export this PDF. For sign in, you need to uh, just put the keys on the file base. It's not a difficult task. You just need to go on the file base and you just need to create the your account, and they will provide you some keys. You just need to add in the env, and then it will go through. Okay, so I have just go through on my local. Okay, so I have just put it the keys file base, and if I go to the sign in, okay, let's click on the sign in. Okay, it just sign in. Welcome back, and I have created some templates here. Okay, you can see I can click on any template. It will open this template. Okay, let's go to the back. If I click on this template, it will open this template. And this is the dashboard. Okay, the pricing page is just a static data right now. If you want, if you don't want to use, you can just skip it, or anything. Is just I have just built for a sample. Okay, in the templates, you can see on the templates. Also, here is the upload resume feature. Okay, so you can upload the resume and then you can pass the data. So I have just added few information regarding this upload feature. Your resume data will be passed, and after that, once your data will be passed, and you can use the AI, and you can make it a better way data. Then the data should be like make it according to the our CV structure. So these features right now is incomplete. If anyone want to contribute, so they can make it better this feature. And this is just a basic right now. Okay, so you can use this one for a task. Let's click on this one. Let's export the PDF. Okay, let's just, okay, click on this. It just export the PDF. So there could be some bugs in this project. There could be some features incomplete. So I have just started this one. So if anyone want to contribute, and there could be some bugs, so anyone can review and create a PR and create issues. So then we can work together. And thank you for everyone for watching this video.